This right pec got angry because he was doing a chest workout and it was telling him it was ready to stop, and he was trying to get a couple more reps out of it, and then it got super pissed at him. Yeah. So we're trying to open him back up. Where we have the cups, we have over pec minor and then like distal pec major coming out to the shoulder. You got anterior deltoid, and underneath that you got the biceps tendon on the inside here. And then over here you've got the distal end of deltoid and going into brachialis.